You just walked into your garden and saw a mystery plant popping up like it owns the place. Is it a flower, a veggie, a weed with big ambitions? You Google it and somehow end up reading about prehistoric ferns in a blog post from 2009. Facebook? 12 different guesses, and one guy swears it's definitely spinach. Time to call in the real expert, the StrongEcho AI Plant Identifier. Snap a photo, get an instant ID. And here's the kicker, you can ask it any question about the plant and get real answers, instantly. It's like having a master gardener in your phone, without the dirt under the fingernails. Here's how it works. Step 1, open the app. Step 2, take a photo of the mystery plant. Step 3, get a fast, accurate ID. Step 4, ask anything. Can I eat this? How much water does it want? Will it play nice with my tomatoes? The AI's got your back. Use case 1. Surprise guest in the garden. You didn't plant it, it just showed up. Snap. Boom. It's a rogue zucchini vine. Ask the AI, should I let it grow? And you'll get care tips, growing advice, and maybe even a recipe if it decides to take over. Use case 2, the mystery houseplant. Your aunt gave you this leafy thing and said it thrives on neglect. Snap, it's a monstera. Ask the AI, why are the leaves droopy? Does it need sun, shade, or daily affirmations? It answers right away. No need to consult the Oracle of Reddit. Use case 3, weeds are worth it. Some plants creeping through your garden like it pays rent. Snap, it's purslane. And guess what? It's actually useful. Ask the AI, what can I do with this? You might find out it's more friend than foe. Why this matters? Every plant has a story. Some want to help your garden, some want to hog the resources. Knowing what you're dealing with gives you the power to plan, plant, and grow smarter. Get the AI Plant Identifier from StrongEcho.com and turn your garden mysteries into aha moments. Start for free and make every plant in your yard your new best bud. Got a surprise plant story? Drop it in the comments. Let's see who found the weirdest leaf lurker. AI gardening tools that work hard, so you don't have to. You can grow it.